be quiet? You want me to be quiet? Hello? Hello?
Yeah.
Where you at? Marsh, don't let him leave. Marsh, don't let him leave. Marsh, shut up, Marsh. He got the baby. Be quiet. He got the baby. Marsh. It's like the word, bro. He got the baby, bro. Hello. Blue. Marsh. Chill out, bro. Marsh, do not argue with him, bro. If he asks you a question, answer straight up. Stop being smart, bro. What? Is this a cop?
No, just slow down.
I can't slow down, Jay. I'm going 160. No.
I know, but...
Oh, my God, bro. Oh, I'm about to flip this bitch, God.
For a verse, for a nigga, so this is what you gotta deal with. This is what happens when you leave him. You should be better. You should be. But this is crazy, bro. Harsh.
Yeah, blue.
Bro. There's no explanation for why my son don't have a parent at 4 in the morning. There's no explanation for why my son is staying with you and your baby daddy is dead at 4 in the morning. No fucking sense. You dogs should do this. You jump in the car and go out and fuck this shit. This. Go ahead, I'm running for the. I can slap the fuck out of her.
She coming.
Okay.
Can we just wait for her?
Bro, Marsh.
What?
Get out my face, bro.
Marsh, get out of his face. Chill out. Marsh, alright, chill out. Alright, chill out.
Alright, let me in the car too.
Staying with Marsh. My son's staying with Marsh because for some dick. For a verse.
The first one.
No, bro.
We're not gonna stay right here in this car broken. We have a baby. What?
I have no relationship with this baby. This baby has no relationship. You call the police right now, they're gonna say, what relation do you have to this baby? And what you gonna say? What you gonna say? It's my friends, baby.